Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Java Expert Tutorial. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So today we will talk about variables in Java. So let's start with the definition of variable. What is variable in Java? Okay. So a variable in Java is nothing but a name which we are given to the memory location. For example, int a equals to 10. Here int is data type, a is a variable name and 10 is a value. So guys, int is nothing but a memory area. Int is nothing but a memory area where we are going to store our variable a with value 10. Okay. Okay, so there are three types of variables in Java: local variable, instance variable, and static variable. So let's start with the local variable. A variable declared inside the body of the method is called local variable. You can use this variable only within that method, and the other methods in the class are not even aware that the variable exists. So let's understand with the example. Okay. So guys, this is the example of local variable. So I just create one class local variable, and inside this class I declare one m1 method, and inside this method I declare one local variable int I equals to 10. This is local variable because we declare this variable inside the method. Okay. So after that I just create one object of local variable class and try to accessing the variable I, but it gives compile time error because we can't access local variable from outside the method. Okay, so it gives compile time error. So second is instance variable. Okay, a variable declare inside the class but outside the body of the method is called instance variable, because its value is instance specific and is not shared among instances. So guys, let's understand with the example of instance variable. Okay, so guys, this is the example of instance variable. I just create one instance variable class, and inside this class I declare one instance variable. Okay, this is instance variable because we declare this variable outside the method but inside the class. Okay, after that I declare one parameterized constructor to initialize this instance variable, and after that I just define one method m1 method, and inside the m1 method I declare one local variable I equals to 10. Okay, so guys, first I just create the one object L1 and passing the value of 100. So the constructor will initialize the I variable with value 100. But second time, okay, and second time I create another object of instance variable L2 and passing the parameter 50. So the constructor will initialize the instance variable I with value 50. After that, when I trying to print the value of I with the help of reference variable L1 and L2, the output will be like this: 150. That means instance variable does not share among objects. Objects are instance, both are same. Okay. So third is static variable. Okay, a variable which is declared inside the class but outside the body of the method with keyword static is called static variable. Static variable share among all the instances of the class. Memory allocation for static variable happens only once when the class is loaded in the memory. Okay, so let's understand with the example. So guys, this is the example of static variable. I just create one class static variable. Inside this class I declare one static variable int I. This is the static variable because we are using static keyword with it. Okay. So guys, if you have to declare static variable, it's compulsory to declare static keyword with that variable. Otherwise, if you remove this static keyword, then this is instance variable. Okay, so it's compulsory to use static keyword. After that, I describe a constructor inside the class and also define the m1 method. Inside the m1 method I describe one local variable. So first I create the object of static variable s1 and passing the parameter 100. Okay, so the constructor will initialize the I variable with value 100. Okay, second time I also create one static variable object s2 and passing the value 50. So the second time constructor will initialize the value I with 50. After that, when I trying to print the value of I with the help of s1 and s2, the output will be like this, 50 and 50. As you can see, we pass 50 parameter second time. Okay, that means the static variable I value was override. The first time it was 100 and second time it was 50. That means static variable share among instances or objects. Okay. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Bye bye, take care.